हाय फ्रेंड, नमस्कार फ्रेंड। आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने हैं वाले हैं कि आप कैसे इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं। बिकॉज फ्रेंड, व्हेन आई केम इन पुणे आई डोंट नो इंग्लिश, एंड देन आफ्टर इन माय कॉलेज मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल वाज स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश, एंड बट आई वाज टू मच जेलियस. आई वांट also speak. I was trying, but I was making too much mistake and student was laughing on me. And suddenly what happened that then lockdown came, and for 2 years I was in my hometown, and over there I started to speak something. Same problem happened in my village also. Same people was not reacting my English I was speaking with them. They was laughing, and when I made some mistakes, means at the starting fine, I want to tell you everyone made a minor mistakes. And but we think when some rich family student are speaking English, we think they have well background because their family treat them as from childhood to speak English. That's why they confidently can speak English. But friend, if we don't have, if you are from village background, we don't speak English, and that's why it's happened. But for friend, for this we have another solution, because nowadays everyone have a smartphone. You can search on smartphone everything. There is number of apps available. You can meet those students want to speak English, and everyday basis you can speak. Because friend, why I am telling to speak, you should to speak English, because it's most important and it's international language. Whenever you will face any interview, 100% it will be helpful you, and you can't improve this skill within 1 or 2 months. It's need a minimum 1 year if you want to speak confidently whatever you want to speak. That's why friend, I want to suggest you, let's start speak something. Don't worry if anyone laugh you, and if continuously you will speak 100%, you will speak very well. Thank you so much. See you next video.